Hi, this is Mila, and let's do a Miniverse Make It Mini Cafe Series 4. I already made all the ones in the back, the colorful cup being the easiest to do. I mean, colorful, I guess the purple tea was the easiest to do, the one that was closed, and then I kind of went off the rails a little bit, and I made one that was open, which I love as well. And then there's the tapioca pearls bubble tea and the smoothie and the halo halo. And they were all like really cute. Not too bad to make actually. So I am definitely recommending them all. My favorite is clearly the purple one. Oh, I forgot to show where the pinhole was and I don't remember where the pinhole was. Uh-oh. I found it. There it is. It's right here, next to the bottle of the bubble tea in the top. I don't know what it is, but I hope it's something cute. I don't like the fact that the neck is curled up, poor thing. Oh, there's the guide, but the guide doesn't tell us what we have because it's basically the same thing on, like in every single ball, something with horseradish. Interesting. What has horseradish? I guess it's some kind of a meal. Ooh, okay, I know what it is. Just based on the cup. There we go. We have the shrimp cocktail. Looks delicious. And should I read it or should I not? We all know I won't. You should. I don't. What is this? The shrimp. I can't wait to see the shrimp. This I assume is our regular tongues that I will also not be using at all. Yep, there we go. Just put them off to the side. A little fork this time, not a spoon, a fork. And the thingy for the bowl, which I will also ignore. Then we have the Stay Fresh. So I'm assuming that's maybe like the sauce. Not at all. That's the decoration. What is the horseradish? Oh, it's like, it looks like shaved ice sort of thing. Okay. And, okay, yes, this must be the actual like cocktail portion. Yes, I was so right. The cocktail sauce. It looks good. I like the fact that it looks unique. I'm assuming we'll be cutting this up. So let's look at the instructions. Yes, there will be cutting. So let's get started. What is the first step again? The first step was to look at the shrimp because, oh my God, look how cute they are. Look how tiny and adorable. Aren't they the sweetest? And we'll be like putting them as decorations. I can't wait. And there's extra, so I get to keep some. I'm so excited. So the first step is actually to put the sauce in and like to mix it with the horseradish, which I'm going to be honest. Oh, maybe it's because of the texture. Got it. That makes sense. Okay. Well, let's get started on the cocktail portion. I don't get a nozzle with this one, so hopefully I will not be messing this up too bad, but it should be a nice lively color. Okay, if it comes down. Sorry, I saw a dirty spot in the cup. And thankfully it's not a real cup because I put my finger in it. Come on, little sauce, come down. They have put it pretty much straight to the rim, but I'm kind of questioning how smart that is, because if I put it to the rim and I try to mix it, some of it will come out. So chances are I will not be filling it up. Come on. Okay, this is kind of hard to make come out. There we go. Okay, so I'll stop here and I'll add the horseradish and start mixing. Because if I do everything exactly the way they're saying, which is, look at that, it's like filled up to the rim, and then you add the shrimp, there won't be any place to add the shrimp, like if I end up curing it, although it does say to only end up curing at the end. Ah, got it. Well, I guess I can try and put a bit more then. But then I'll be putting, okay, I'll put the horseradish first, just to see how that goes. No. It's like falling all over. There we go. Am I putting too much? Maybe not, because there will be more of the sauce to go there. Yeah, I think it can take a bit more sauce. Okay, which I guess will be the battle of the century because this thing is not very liquid. Sometimes they make it so easy to come out, and sometimes it's like, there you go. Okay. Phew. Okay. Where's the cap? So sometimes they fill it all the way to the top. Otherwise they do, like sometimes they don't. So it's like decide what you want to do here, people. Okay, and it's spreading in thankfully nicely, because otherwise my level of thing will definitely not be even. Where's the spoon? I mean the fork. Do I want to put the fork in, or will I? Yes. I will use my backup spoon, but just to avoid wasting material, I will use this part of the handle to like mix it up a bit. This way I make sure it's all around the walls. Like it's nicely covered all over. How does it look from the side? Okay, pretty good. It can use a bit more horseradish. Okay, this is actually way easier than I anticipated, so I'm kind of happy. Okay. This is going to be a delicious cocktail. You can tell every time I add stuff, I'm like very positive. Oh no. I need to gather it off of the floor afterwards to avoid having my favorite Mr. Puppy eating it all. There we go. Okay, it's becoming a very nice color. The horseradish is like taking on the liquid, so... Oh, no, inside please. There we go. Has a very nice texture, like it's like icy slush sort of thing. Okay, so I'll just put this away. I'll clean it after. And now I need to put, how many shrimp on the side they say? They say 3 shrimp. Yeah, I'm gonna put 3 because that's my lucky. There you go, so I got 1. I'm trying not to like breathe to like annoy it too much or something, make it fall. 2, 3. Okay, success with the shrimp. They're all very nicely in. Next stage that I'm nervous about, it's the leaves, and I will actually end up using the tongues. It's a miracle. I don't think there's any particular way to do it. I'll just put it in the middle, like try to make it look cute. I don't like this leaf a lot, so I'll put it in the background. Okay. It doesn't like me either, clearly. Like this. And then, at the speed I'm going, I'll clearly not become a bartender. Nobody will ever get a drink on time. There we go. I should have kept the sleeve for the front. It would have been cuter. Come, little guy. There we go. How adorable it is. Okay. And let's cure. Oh, wait. Do I want to put the fork in? No. I'm still curing. I took one of the shrimp and I put it on the fork. It's gonna look pretty cute, as if somebody's like eating. And oh, I guess I'm gonna need a plate. Where can I get a plate from? I feel like I had some plates somewhere. I'll go hunting. So there we are. We have our shrimp cocktail. We have a little plate, and I will put this in the plate as if the person's like about to eat it. And here's a close-up of the cocktail. Like, it looks so adorable and delicious. There's texture to it. Yes, there we go. We can see it in the light. And I hope you enjoyed this, because I will be placing it. Oh my goodness. I don't want to displace this, but I guess I'll have to, because This little guy, I think, is taking the spot right over here. Look how beautiful it is. Oh yeah, it's a great collection, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye! And bon appétit!